In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Renfe app on Android. This process is straightforward and will allow you to easily access train schedules and tickets. Let's get started with the first step. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the store will load, displaying various apps and games. This is the main hub for downloading any app on your Android device, and it ensures that you are getting the latest versions from a trusted source. If you are prompted to log in, please do so using your Google account credentials. This step is important because it allows you to download apps without any issues. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. You will see a blinking cursor, indicating that it's ready for you to type. Type in Renfe or Renfe Cercanías to find the app you need. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar, helping you to narrow down your options. This is a crucial step because entering the correct name ensures that you find the right application, saving you time and effort. Once you finish typing, press the search icon or hit enter on your keyboard. After that, look for the official apps published by Renfe in the search results. You will see several options, but make sure to identify the one that has the Renfe logo and is marked as the official app. This is vital because downloading unofficial or third-party apps can lead to security risks or functionality issues. Take your time to verify the publisher's name, which should be Renfe, and ensure you are selecting the correct app. Now, tap the Install button next to the app. This button is typically green and located on the app's page. Once you tap it, the app will begin downloading and installing automatically. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is straightforward but important because it initiates the installation process, allowing you to access the app once it's complete. You can also view the app's permissions and read any additional information about it before installing if you wish. Once the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear. Tapping this will launch the Renfe app for the first time, allowing you to start exploring its features. You may also find the Renfe app in your app drawer or on your home screen. This makes it easy to access whenever you need to check train schedules or purchase tickets. Now you're ready to enjoy the convenience of traveling with Renfe at your fingertips. In summary, we have covered opening the Google Play Store, searching for the Renfe app, identifying the official app, and installing it. Each step is designed to ensure a smooth download process. Following these instructions will help you avoid common pitfalls and keep your device secure. Thank you for watching and enjoy using the Renfe app on your Android device.